Alright, so here are the gifts from Grandpa. So, what do you guys say to Grandpa? Katie, Remy, you guys say thank you to Grandpa?
I know.
What?
Thank you. Thank you, Grandpa.
Remy's too excited.
Whoa!
Remy, you say thank you? Remy,
Remy,
go over there, say thank you.
Oh, it was wrapped. That was-
Yeah.
What is it? There's something in there.
Hold on. Let's read what it says. Merry Christmas, love, Grandpa.
I love Grandpa a lot.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what's in there for Remy. Come on.
That's cute.
What is?
I mean, it's super cute.
Remy, you say hi to Grandpa?
Hi, Grandpa.
Okay. Ready?
Huh?
Here.
What's in the bag?
Careful.
What you got? Oh, I know we got the Mickey Mouse.
What is it, Ram?
Wow, what is it, Remy?
Yeah.
Show Daddy.
Look.
What is it, buddy?
It's Mickey Mouse.
You like it?
Oh, it talks.
What do you say, Ram?
He talks when you move it. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Ready for your skater pie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a big one. Really big. Really big. Oh my God.
Oh, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
I think you should Grandpa. I think you can show Grandpa your earrings. Oh,
This.
huge. I think, would you like to show Grandpa your earrings? I'm not sure.
What's your-
Okay. This card says, Katie, enjoy your gift. Love, Grandpa and Clara.
Laura?
Ready? I guess the other one got cut off on the other message.
I got the Minnie Mouse. This is really
That
hard.
sounds a lot more harder to get out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I could open it in
Wow.
here.
Open it. Hand me the scissors,
Whoa,
Remy.
this Minnie's big.
What?
What you got, bub?
Hey, where you go?
Ooh.
Thank you, Mom.
Bub's is bigger than you.
Whoa!
It looks so huge.
What do you say, Mija?
What do you say, Katie Pie?
Thank you, Grandpa.
I like how now they're just using like cardboard type string instead of like
Does it?
Oh,
the wires.
I know, man. Those wires are
Press
such a
the
pain.
button on Minnie's shoe. Right there.
Go again.
Is she a cheerleader, bub?
Yeah.
What you got, Ram? What's that, Ram?
Let me see what the full message is on the other card that got erased. Remy. Merry Christmas, love, Grandpa and Clara. And say thank you.
Thank you.
You want to take her out of the box, Bob, so you can play with it?
Oh.
Say bye, guys.